okay? Which means to say that we're improving the gait by increasing the amount of impulsion, the amount of energy, so the horse starts to move bigger and higher.
Okay.
So he covers more ground with each step instead of taking short, quick steps, that he is more economical in his movement. And by virtue of the fact that he's got his hind legs underneath him, it's easier for him to carry us.
Right.
More economical for him to carry us that way.
Okay.
Because then his back is nice and round and it's up, forming a bridge between the forehand and the hindquarters.
Right.
So it's all about developing the natural gaits. The quality of any movement that you think of is governed by the quality of the basic gaits, the quality of the movement.
Okay.
So the quality of his work is reflected in the quality of his movement. So what you've got to try to do is to get this horse really using his hind legs more, so that he starts to lighten the forehand and starts to cover more ground in each step by virtue of the fact he's got more air time, more spring, more impulsion. Right? That's what it's all about. And so he looks very nice the way you have him going, but pretty doesn't cut it.
Right. I want to be more effective with them.
And so you have got, as you've just said, you've got to become more effective in producing that.
Right.
And creating that mind, that energy. What does it say about forward in the collective marks in the dressage test?
Oh, I remember making the desire, the impression of the desire
to go forward. He's not demonstrating a desire. He's very laid back.
Yeah.
He's saying, "Oh, I can handle this easily. I don't have to make any effort to do this."
Yeah. Yeah.
And he should be making effort. Okay. And someone has to see to it.
I have a hard time with him, like in the extensions where he breaks. You know, like what should I just correct him and go on, or like I don't know. I mean, how do you handle that? Am I just being too strong with my ease?
And what's happening when he breaks? Breaks from the canter?
Like the extension into canter.
Oh, that means he's not connected properly.
Okay.
Okay, because he won't break if he's properly connected and throughness. Okay, that way.
Right.
And if he does, just bring him back.
Okay.
It shows a little bit extra exuberance.
Yeah.
But at some point you've got to correct that and not allow it to continue. But it's all about his balance. If you have him really properly into the bridle and he's elastic enough, because you've created that elasticity, then it won't happen. Okay. Now, if you ask him to jump through in the canter and he breaks, he loses the canter, that's a different issue. That means lack of impulsion.
Okay.
Okay. So, pick him up, put him to work. Now expect more. Don't pull on him. Pick him forward.